Kwanangwa kwa Miio ya mwaki wa stima syivo transformer nikw'o kutumite uthukumi wa muvia wa Kenya Power kuthi na nthi. Transformer 25 sya mwaki wa Kenya Power mwaki wa stima mwaka ni muthelu nisyanangiwe na ingi 30 Kwanangwa mwaka ni wa 2023 kauntini ya Masaku. Regional Director wa Kenya Power Hicks Amumbwa waswa kabindani kana ukunena na nthi mwamba na movisa makara ni waweta kana kambunu wende na kumandhanzia cia kuthinikia mathina ma mwaki isioni kwivo kukwikithia kana ni matumia Miio ya kiumundi ila inalaini cia simu kwikithia kana ni mavikia a Kenya. Kaunti ya Masaku ni mwe ya kaunti ila simbe ndini wa wasania wa koti wa mwaki wa stima yina makastoma mbe wa ngili manana. Kenya Power yiweta ta ikola na cia bilioni ile kuma kauntini ya Masaku. Ni mauvoto mbaniwa ni Daniel Mwongela.
Na mauvisa kuma kampuni no unyache wa stima nikana kaunti ya Masaku italeka taimwe cia kaunti ira ciendene santhini utumi wa stima indi ni mande na uthirenie muno na maundu ma nthi kwananga mali syivo transformer na mitambo ingine tumika unyache ni usu wa stima.
Let me address the issue of now my plea to the public. You see, residents like associations like KARA, there are umbrellas. There is an umbrella for many associations, and we actually depend on people getting information, people passing information to us. That is why it's very necessary, important for us to keep partnering with them. Remember, the best level of policing is community policing, the nyumba kumi and the rest of it. That's what we think will work best for us, gathering intelligence, and it has worked because the vandalism threat has actually continued to go down. Of course, the hotspots, Nairobi will lead because of the demand for copper, the demand for scrap metal. Machakos has been a challenge, and now the rural setup because of access, where isolated areas, people will access less, people will be less conscious of darkness, and so those are areas that pose a threat to us. And all that comes to the cost of doing business in the country. Now, for Machakos, as I highlighted before, Machakos is key in our business because it's actually third in terms of business volume for Kenya Power. From Nairobi you go to Kiambu, then Machakos, then you follow the others. So we have a big interest in Machakos, especially now because of the fast growing nature. There are so many industries that are putting up in Machakos, Mavoko area, Lukenya area, and even Machakos itself. You can see how Konza is coming up, and the Kinani area, the leather factory. And so what we are doing is that we have more plans to invest.
Ni uneni ulo kwa tamboni mawisa kumengwa tunoni ya kara alama ilisekana kelelo choki nene kwigithikana mathina ta suni manena nigwa na nthi utawondo kuna livoti mavindani alama kuusia siko ta isu cia ung'ei na kwananga kwa mali ya nthi na muno mitambo ile tumika kuna stima syivo transformer kwa waya kategwa ingi.
Going to Kakamega, Embu and other countries to bring the Kenya Power team to the residents so that we can address the challenges and issues that both Kenya Power and also the residents are facing. Kenya Power is facing issues with vandalism, and it is us, the residents, who are vandalizing those equipment that Kenya Power is using to provide services to us. Sometimes we even reject some services to be provided. At the same time, we also need those services. So it's a great opportunity for today for the people of Machakos to be able to bring their issues to be addressed by the Kenya Power team. All the engineers are here, the regional manager is here, and even the local team is here to be able to address those issues. So that is where we are as KARA. Our responsibility is to advocate for quality services on behalf of residents.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutungu TV, kuwa kauntini ya Masaku.